This human-powered car, also called the human car, can reach up to 30 miles per hour. It needs no fuel and can also be plugged into an outlet. A tennis racket covered in powder got hit with that ball. Look at this majestic moment in slow motion. Look how she is mastering all these activities without her arms. She was really lucky at that moment. He was able to create a transforming room in the style of the video game Dishonored. This sweater, developed by the University of Maryland, utilizes adversarial patterns to become an invisibility cloak against that AI. This optical illusion makes it look like this cat has two bodies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.